Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. On today's episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about baggies. Now, baggies seems to be a registered trademark for a certain company to talk about Zip-Loc bags, and Zip-Loc is also a trademark of a specific brand. But we all know when someone says baggies or Zip-Locs or anything like that, what they're talking about. And they actually have a lot of useful uses around the kitchen and for storing stuff going in the refrigerator temporarily. So check out your supply. Make sure you have plenty to last you for a while, and stock up on baggies. Stay happy. Don't let life get you down. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps. Water. Add lots of water. Food, medicine, clothing. Learn a new skill and grow some healthy food.